Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of kidney health and exploring the top foods that can promote a healthy and happy pair of kidneys. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our health and nutrition content. Before starting the list of foods, let's talk about the importance of kidney health and well-being. Our kidneys are unsung heroes, quietly performing crucial functions that keep our bodies in balance. They filter waste, remove excess fluids, and regulate electrolytes, ensuring that our internal environment remains stable and healthy. Think of your kidneys as the body's natural filtration system. They help remove waste products and toxins from the blood, preventing a buildup that could lead to various health issues. Proper kidney function is essential for overall detoxification and maintaining optimal health. The kidneys play a pivotal role in maintaining fluid balance. They adjust the amount of water excreted in urine to match our body's needs. Additionally, kidneys help regulate blood pressure by managing the volume of blood and the balance of sodium and potassium. Electrolytes, such as sodium, potassium, and calcium, are crucial for various bodily functions. Kidneys help ensure the right balance of these electrolytes, supporting nerve function, muscle contraction, and overall cellular health. The good news is that many lifestyle choices can positively impact kidney health. Staying hydrated, maintaining a balanced diet, managing blood pressure, and avoiding excessive use of over-the-counter medications are all steps towards nurturing your kidneys. Now let us get started with the list of foods that may help maintain kidney function and possibly even reverse damage. Hydration. First up, staying hydrated is crucial for kidney health. Water helps the kidneys remove waste from the blood, so be sure to drink an adequate amount of water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses or more, depending on your activity level and climate. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, are packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. These little powerhouses can be a tasty addition to your diet while supporting kidney function. Leafy greens. Next on our list are leafy greens like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard. These greens are rich in vitamins A and C, as well as fiber, which can contribute to a well-balanced diet and support overall kidney health. Fish. Fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and trout are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats have anti-inflammatory effects and may reduce the risk of kidney disease. Aim for at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week. Garlic. Garlic not only adds flavor to your meals but also contains allicin, a compound with antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Including garlic in your diet may help protect your kidneys and promote overall cardiovascular health. Cauliflower. Cauliflower is a kidney-friendly vegetable that is low in potassium and phosphorus. It's a versatile option that can be used as a substitute for higher potassium foods in various recipes, supporting a kidney-friendly diet. Apples. An apple a day may indeed keep the doctor away, especially when it comes to kidney health. Apples are a good source of fiber and anti-inflammatory compounds, making them a smart choice for maintaining kidney function. Red bell peppers. Red bell peppers are not only vibrant and delicious but also low in potassium. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which can help protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and support overall kidney health. Onions. Onions, whether raw or cooked, are a kidney-friendly choice. They add flavor to dishes without contributing to high potassium levels. Additionally, onions contain antioxidants that may benefit your kidneys. Cabbage. Cabbage is a versatile vegetable that can be included in various dishes. It's low in potassium and a good source of vitamin K and C. Adding cabbage to your diet can be a kidney-friendly way to enjoy cruciferous veggies. Egg whites. When it comes to protein, consider incorporating egg whites into your diet. They provide a high-quality, low-phosphorus protein source, making them a kidney-friendly alternative to whole eggs. Olive oil. Opt for heart-healthy olive oil as your primary cooking oil. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help maintain a healthy cardiovascular system and contribute to overall kidney well-being. Quinoa. For a kidney-friendly source of protein and fiber, turn to quinoa. This ancient grain is a great alternative to higher phosphorus grains and can be a valuable addition to a renal diet. Pineapple is not only a tasty tropical fruit but also a good source of bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory properties. Including moderate amounts of pineapple in your diet can be beneficial for kidney health. Skinless chicken. When choosing meat, opt for skinless chicken. It provides a lean source of protein without the added phosphorus that comes with the skin. Grilled or baked chicken can be a kidney-friendly protein option. There you have it. A lineup of foods that may support kidney health and contribute to the potential reversal of damage. Remember, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it, and let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned for more health tips. Until next time, take care of yourselves.